This morning, the U.S. Supreme Court upheld a federal gun control law which prohibits individuals with domestic violence restraining orders from possessing guns.
Fox 61 political reporter Emma Wolfhorst joins us now in studio with more on how state officials are reacting.
Bridget, advocates here in Connecticut say this decision is simply common sense. Attorney General William Tong saying domestic violence gun laws are strong and constitutional. He adds they will keep people safe and will keep saving lives.
We're excited. It keeps us motivated. And I think it really helps us push that survivor experience forward.
Relief from advocates tonight after the U.S. Supreme Court decided nearly unanimously to uphold a 1994 ban on firearms for people with restraining orders.
If a court has determined that somebody poses a credible enough threat to issue a restraining or protective order, that means they pose a credible enough threat to an individual, but also to the community. If that's the case, then they shouldn't have access to firearms and they shouldn't have access to any other weapons.
The country's highest court agreed. Chief Justice John Roberts writing in the decision, this law uses common sense, adding, quote, the right to keep and bear arms is among the fundamental rights necessary to our system of ordered liberty. That right, however, is not unlimited. Advocates say in cases of family and intimate partner violence, the risk of death increases significantly when a firearm is present. 70 women a month on average are shot and killed by intimate partners, according to the gun control group Everytown for Gun Safety.
In a situation where there's an intimate partner abuse or family abuse happening, if there is a firearm in the house, you're 7 times more likely to die from that.
In a statement, Attorney General William Tong said, we're going to keep fighting tooth and nail against each and every one of these reckless challenges to protect families, victims, and survivors of domestic violence. Connecticut's federal lawmakers also weighing in. Senator Richard Blumenthal saying there was absolutely no sane legal argument for striking down this law, and I'm relieved most of the Supreme Court agreed. While I welcome today's decision, I remain fearful about the fate of future gun violence prevention laws in the hands of this ideological, inconsistent, and extreme court.
I still think there's more to be done, and I'm excited. This definitely gives us a little momentum.
And while this decision was applauded today, a lot of cases still left on the Supreme Court's plate heading into the final week of their term in just a few days, namely a homelessness case about whether people can be banned from sleeping outdoors when shelter space is lacking, as well as the fate of a nationwide settlement with OxyContin maker Purdue Pharma. That would allocate billions of dollars to combat the opioid epidemic, but also provide a legal shield for members of the Sackler family who own the company and also live here in Connecticut. Bridget, Brent.